TRICOR meter defaults to display measurements in mass flow. If you wish to change this to volumetric measurements, begin by pressing and holding down the P button. We're then going to use the down key to get to the setup. Pressing the P key again will enter the setup mode. For the code, we once again want to type in 2207. Press the P key to enter. The first menu is parameter. This is where the menu mode for meter mode is located. You can choose between mass meter or volumetric meter. To select volumetric meter, press the P key. A warning will pop up letting us know that it is going to change the meter mode. Press the reset key to proceed, and then press the OK key. In order to program flow units, cycle through the menu until you see the display menu. Press the P key to enter into the display main menu. First change the unit for mass total. Press the P key and select total units. Cycle through the different options until you find the unit you wish to measure in. Press the P key to enter. To change your flow units, back out one menu, press the down key. This will take you to mass flow. Press the P key to enter. If you then press the P key once more, you will enter into the flow units. Cycle through your different options until you find one you want, and then press the P key to enter. You can then exit out to the main menu. To change the decimal point for the flow rate unit, or batch totals, cycle through to the display menu and press the P key. Press the P key again and press the down key until you see total DP. Once again, press P to enter. Change the location of the decimal point using the left key, then press P to enter. You can then exit back out to the main menu. Repeat that step for any other units.